Good afternoon, this is Bonsai Anonymous. Here we are in front of my Chimenea. We have some Satanite down here, some water, some gloves. So we are going to get going here as soon as I get this camera in a position where it can see a little. All right, so how about that? Not too bad. Okay, I think we're still going. All right, so it says in the instructions to use 50%. Having to my deal. Oh, it's way under here. Perfect. I put 2 of these little things full of water in this container. Now I have to put my gloves on. One thing I don't have that I should have is a respirator or a mask. Hoping that doing this outdoors will make it so it's not so bad. They say that once it's mixed, it's fine. Well, we'll see. All right, so. I should wear gloves a lot more than I do when I work with concrete. I just can't seem to get myself to do it. But this stuff I read is a little different. It's a little nasty. So we're going to, all right. All right, so let's get in there and get 2 of these. That's how many I need. Let's try this way. That's one. All right, that's 2. Seal this up. I don't know how much we actually made, by the pound, but just gonna mix this here, see what happens. It's half and half. $2.50 mix ratio, cup to Satanite. Well, that sure didn't work. Look at that. It's nothing like yogurt. Well, nothing like yogurt. All right, so that's bogus. I'm gonna have to probably use this whole thing. 50% water, 50% Satanite. Yeah, not happening. So let's keep going here. It has to stand up on an angle trowel, because it's going to be going in this Chimenea here. Okay, well, that's not happening either. Let's keep going. That makes it down there. It does have a weird smell. It's not. I can't describe it exactly yet. I think I'm going to have to end up putting this all in. That's what's going to happen. And, all right, well, I think we're getting somewhere now. But it's going to take a bit here. Yeah, it's nice. Get some on the leg. So at least it's not. Don't have long pants on. This is the kind of stuff that will, if you squeeze it, it'll squirt right out and get you in the nose. Okay, so we're getting there now. Let's just keep going with the mixing. the bottom. I think that will do. All right, so what they do is they just put some on and they smear it around. It's supposed to be like frosting. Here. So the reason I'm doing this, just because I want to mainly, but I'm going to try to learn how to fire clay in a chimenea. Rich. So this will do some with this hand too. Works pretty well. Going around. And they say maybe more than one coat might be necessary. All right. And smart. Okay. Up here. That's here. You can tell that it's already starting to set up a little, but it's okay. We can go in here. Some up here. This. Heat comes up there. Not so much here, but I'm practicing. Okay. Just keep going. There. A little more over here. All right, time to get down on the ground because I can't tell where I am and where I'm not. All right, let's see here. It's not bad. Here. More. Back. Yeah. There's some here. I think I might be getting my vape into this stuff. I wonder how, I mean, it's a high heat item, granted. Let's put some more back. Back up there. Some up here. Yeah. piece for that. Okay, now, it's a total mess, but I think it might work. So let me get these off so I can de-cement my vape here, which I don't really need cemented very much. I always lose my vape, and so my wife got me these cool lanyards, and they really work great. The only thing is that I forget that they're dangling here. Okay, so there's a piece of leftover epoxy from yesterday. Where it is, okay, I don't know how much of that I can get away with, so I'm not going to worry about it. Piece. I'm going to get this off of my arm. All right, so that's a real bad job, but at least it's all covered. And tomorrow, I'm going to give it a shot with some wood. So that's Bonsai Anonymous out.